I feel like I should already know this, but dude, this right here, that's bomb, bro. I went to this food truck. I was like, oh man, because I thought the concession stands were open because this is like little football game thing going on over there. And like I went over there and I was like, ugh, all this kebab shit. Like I don't know what the thing is called. It's called kebab. We love kebab or something like that. I fucking got it, dude. I'm about to cry. Nobody to fucking skate with. All my homies said they were gonna come through, but they didn't. Pop shove it for my homies. Always throw away your trash, kids. I might not be so lonely anymore. Dude, I just ran over a death pebble. Did you hear that?
Seriously?
Yeah, it was like. Looking fresh today.
Me?
Yep.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I know.
In the summer, I look trash.
Zane's dog ran away and we couldn't really find it, so he's looking for it right now. Right now, we're about to go and jump the stair set, or attempt to.
Who?
I'm attempting it. Are you attempting it?
Am I?
Okay, well, we all know Zane is attempting it. Just kind of
In the arms of... Shit! Want your boy, want your wee my... Oh shit. Now we gotta deliver her. Can you hold this? What the fuck is this dog? What the fuck? She just jumped off of this bitch right here. Jumped off of this. Fucking hop this with no problem. Bitch, get over here before I suck your tits. The fuck is this?
Dude.
That is
Hi.
the cutest dog ever.
Hi.
Is he a, we're like putting it here, maybe here,
Hmm.
and or like maybe right up there.
Yeah.
Have you lit?
Yeah, I remember that.
You did it yourself.
I made that for him.
It was lit. We almost got high. Spray paint fumes, my dude.
Speed racer.
Go speed racer. Go speed racer.
Right now, Zane and I are going to a play. I kind of don't want to go, but Zane wants to go. So I'm like, all right.
Hello. Oh, Charlie. Yes. Hi. It's Charlie, everybody. Molly. Wait, who's Molly? Charlie.
My friends left. Now I'm all alone. I'm about to get this trick challenge in. If I don't land it, oh well. I'll find some other video to land it, but I'm just gonna try it because I'm pooped. I'm about to go home and cry in the shower. Hey, what the fuck? I forgot, bro.
Fucking nigga, me.